Are you trying to upload code to your Arduino Giga, but you're getting a red blinking LED of death and you're not seeing the board show up in the ports area? Does it make you so mad you want to get a toy dagger and stab your Arduino Giga 400 times? Well, hey, before you do that, let's see if we can solve this problem really quick. So here's what I'm encountering. I've got my Arduino Giga hooked up and I've got a red blinking LED of death. When I go to board and port and select the Giga, there is no port showing for my Giga board. What gives? Well, here's what you can do. Double tap the reset button. And now you can see when I do that, 2 ports show up. I've got this USB DFU and then the actual port that I was expecting. If you're on a Windows machine, this will show up as a COM port. And this is the one. You don't want to choose this USB DFU. I hit OK. And now if I look down in the right, I can see that I've been able to connect my board. But why is it that the red LED is blinking in the first place? And how is it that by double tapping the reset button, it goes away? Kind of feels like you've just taken a chicken claw and scratched your board and somehow it works. Is this voodoo? Well, here's the deal. It's only partially voodoo. So the Arduino Giga is running something that is called Mbed OS. If you write some code and something in your sketch fails, then that can cause the Mbed OS to fail. And on the Giga, it doesn't reset automatically. So you have to reset it. When you double tap that reset button, it puts the Arduino Giga into what's called bootloader mode, and that prepares the board to upload code.
If you do design your own circuit boards, I want to take a minute and tell you about today's sponsor, JLCPCB.com. JLC, making juicy little circuits. Every time I order, boards delivered so perfect. Order today at JLCPCB.com. JLCPCB.com also offers PCB assembly, 3D printing, laser cutting, CNC machining, and so much more.
So that red LED doesn't mean that you've damaged your Giga, or that it's been bricked, or cursed by a voodoo doctor, or stabbed with a toy dagger, but it is sending you a secret message. Look closely at that blinking LED. Blink, 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 blink. It's got 4 fast blinks and 4 slow blinks, and that's sending you a message. Wait, you're still getting the error? Oh man. Okay, are you also seeing some DFU? Maybe you're getting some DFU errors or something like that in the console. That's Dumb Friends United. It's a syndicate from Norway. Anyway, if you're finding that when you double tap the reset button and you get the nice green light, the friendly green light of goodness, and you upload your code and it looks like it uploads okay, but then as soon as it's uploaded, it immediately starts blinking red again, well, I've got something to tell you. You might not like this. It's very possibly something going on with your code. I know. It's very unlikely that anything's wrong with your code, but just maybe there's an issue in your code that is getting the Mbed OS, again, that's the OS that's running on this Giga, it's screwing it up during runtime, and it fails, and then your sketch fails. Now, if you don't believe me, which is a pretty valid concern, find a simple Hello World example for the Arduino Giga. For example, you could just go into File, Examples, Basics, Blink, and try uploading that sketch. If it uploads and you don't get the blinking red LED of death, well, that's kind of an indicator maybe it's your sketch, and that's sending you a message. It's saying to watch this video next because it is going to get you up to speed fast working with Arduino. This one right here. That's the message.